Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to talk to you all today about the free sample company Pinchme. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I post every Wednesday. I post my freebies and wins, and I don't have a particular day when I post my product reviews and unboxings. So you just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you'll know when and I post my videos. So guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started into the ins and outs of Pinchme. Pinchme is a free sample program that mails you free samples of products from major brands and then asks you to review those samples so that they can send you more. This isn't just one of those 2 free samples though. You'll get a box of free samples from Pinchme. So how do you join? You can join by creating an account or signing up through Facebook. And once you've joined, I recommend that you complete your profile. This will give you a much greater chance of getting free samples offered to you. After you've joined Pinchme, you'll want to visit the Pinchme free sample page to see if there is any free samples that you can request. Depending on your timing, you may find one, or you may find several, or they may be out of free samples. So once a month at noon Eastern Standard Time, Pinchme will release new free samples that you can request. So you'll make sure that you want to jump on these before they run out, because they run out fast. If you want to continue to be offered free samples from Pinchme, you'll need to review the free samples that you receive once you've had a chance to try them out. 2 weeks after you receive your free samples, you'll be given a feedback survey to fill out. These are like short questionnaires that should only take about maybe a minute or 2 for you to complete. You can earn Pinchme points for completing your profile and leaving feedback, connecting your social media like Facebook and Twitter and other activities on the Pinchme website. These points will get you in the running for exclusive free samples as well as a gift card in their drawings. So what are some of the free samples that you can get from Pinchme? There's a lot of variety in the free samples that you can get from them. In the past, there's been like free samples of lotion, coffee, chocolate, perfume, chips. There's been moisturizers, there's been supplements, there's been dog treats, tissue, shampoo, makeup, cereal, pretty much anything that you can think of. You do not have to worry. Pinchme will always send out reminders that it is time for you to complete certain surveys. It is always important to read the details. So if they say make sure that when you write this review on the company's website that you put in there that you receive this product free courtesy of Pinchme, then make sure that you put that in the box, as well as making sure that whenever you write a review on a company's website that you use the same email that you used when you signed up for Pinchme. Now that you have all of this information, there is a link down below in my description box that'll get you started. Well guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all next Wednesday with more freebies and wins. Guys, enjoy the rest of your week, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.